So hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are safe and doing great. Many of you exactly know where I'm going to, so I won't take it too long and let me take you to exactly the place where I'm going today is the Jewel, which is exactly at the Changi airport. Yes, you are hearing it correct. It is at the Changi airport. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive the latest video updates and notifications. And I assure you, you won't be disappointed joining my channel, and you can connect me on the other social networking sites which is displayed for you on the screen. So as you can see, I am at Terminal 3 of Changi International Airport, Singapore. From my place, I took bus number 53, which directly takes me to the Changi Airport, Terminal 3. So it was very convenient for me to reach because it's just one bus which I had to take. So the new normal now is to wear the mask whenever you are in public because of COVID, and I am taking all the precautions. And here we go. I'm super excited. Did you guys ever imagine that there would be an airport inside of which there will be various kind of entertainments available, and even if you're transiting during the halt in that particular airport, and there is no way that you can be bored, and there's a lot of options available to kill time. So guys, if you are in Singapore, don't miss out to visit the Jewel, which is right inside the airport. Yes, which is right inside the airport, and it is connected to all the terminals. Okay, so Jewel Changi Airport is also known as Jewel or Jewel Changi, which is linked to all the 3 passenger terminals, and it is a nature themed entertainment and retail complex. And you won't believe, it is the world's largest and tallest indoor waterfall. Can you guys imagine? Yes, it is the largest and the tallest indoor waterfall. The Jewel includes the gardens, attractions, hotel, and about 300 retail and dining outlets. Isn't it a dream come true place, guys? I mean, think about, you are at the airport and that particular airport is offering these many things, and there's a lot to do. You cannot just sit and wait for your next flight to catch. I mean, I am so much into this place and I'm so amazed. And here I come. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, we are at the level 2 at the moment because I use the entry gate of level 2. So from here the waterfall looks like this. This is breathtaking. Okay guys, let me take you to the down floor and let's have a look how this waterfall exactly looks like. So here we are. So this is the down floor and this looks amazing. I just can't believe this place. This is phenomenal. As I've studied about this place, this waterfall is 130 feet high. It helps recirculating rainwater which is pumped to the roof to free fall through a round hole. Amazing. Not just about the waterfall, but talking about this Shiseido Forest Valley. It is the Asia's largest indoor gardens, which has around 3,000 trees and 60,000 shrubs of 120 species that live in high altitude tropical forests from around the world. This beautiful waterfall looks this splendid in the sunlight, but I guarantee you, if you come during the night time, this will stun you even more. The sheet of water becomes a screen on which a light and sound show is projected. All you have to do is relax at one of many vantage points surrounding it and enjoy the show. I've already been to this place so many times now, I exactly don't remember the count. Because whenever my friends or family visits, or even if my friends transiting, so this place is the first place comes in my mind to hang out because I just love this place. Maybe 5 or 6 or even more, I don't remember exactly. I've been to this place and one of my favorite places so far. I just love this place. Okay, guys, allow me to introduce the attractions here at Jewel Changi Airport. And the attractions include the Sashido Forest Valley, the Rain Vortex, Canopy Park, Canopy Bridge, Manulife Skynets bouncing, Manulife Skynets walking, the Mirror Maze, the Hedge Maze, Discovery Slides, the Topiary Walk, Foggy Bowls, and the Changi Experience Studio. Okay, all of these attractions are located at level 5 except the Changi Experience Studio, which is located at level 4. Guys, you will be surprised to know the Canopy Park houses 9 food and beverages outlets. The Aloha Pork, Burger and Lobster, Heritage, Thrive, Rumors Bar and Grill, The World is Flat, and Tiger Street Lab. All this is located on the 5th floor between the exit and the entry of the Canopy Park. And let me show you these beautiful nets. As you can see, this is the Manulife Sky Nets, which provide children's play facilities including bouncing net and a walking net. This is 250 meters long, suspended 8 meters above ground, and it is the highest point. Guys, for your convenience, I'm going to provide all the details and going to mention it in the description box below. If you're planning in future, it'll be very helpful for you. And here we are at the ticketing center, where you can buy the packages, enjoy all the attractions. And there we go. As I was talking about the dining area, here are the different outlets. I'm just taking a walk through it because I'm not really in a mood to have anything. Okay, so not just this, Jewel houses both the local and international brands, and all the largest stores are located at the lower levels. The Apple store, the Nike store, Marks and Spencer's, Muji, Zara, even the IMAX cinema, and the Five Spices, the food courts, food junctions, the supermarket chain, Fair Price, everything is located here at just one place. Fabulous. Okay guys, I've tried to capture this look from level 5, and right in front of me is the Canopy Bridge. Okay, so this Canopy Bridge is located 23 meters above the ground, which offers a panoramic view of the rain vortex. Not just that, the Canopy Bridge has the glass panel flooring, and it is so amazing. Trust me, if you see this, you will be amazed, just like me. Okay guys, so I'll take you to one level down, that is level 4, where you will see the Changi Experience Studio, which helps you to discover the journey of fun and exciting virtual world of Changi Airport. Let's go! So here you can engage in the wonder of amazing projection experience and enjoy interactive games and immersive shows, where you will explore and enjoy 20 different interactive touchpoints over 10 content zones, learn about the history and development of Changi, go behind the scenes of its operations, and play games, simulating airport functions. It is a fascinating journey of discovery and a play for both adults and children alike. And here we are, the Changi Experience Studio. And let me take a walk through these beautiful restaurants at level 4. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this short walk through Jewel Changi, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And if you are in Singapore or transiting, I really hope that you will visit this place, this beautiful place which is right in the airport. Thank you for watching.